Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. 25th February 2026 Mashi Masam 13th Wednesday Vishwavasanama Samvalsaram Uttarayanam Shishirado Mashi Masam, that is Kumbha Masam, Shukla Paksham Tithi Navami Nakshatram up to 2:12 p.m. Rohini Nakshatram, then Mrgashirsha Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Alam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Yamagandam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Gulyagalam 10:30 to 12 noon. Good time 9 to 10 a.m. then 2 to 3 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Tula Rashi Shulam North. Prayachittam Milk. Sradhatidi Navami. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha.